Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Creality LIzard 3D scanner to capture my greatest masterpiece, which is the Beavis and Butthead sculpture that I did a while ago. I've been sitting on this one for a while because it's relatively difficult to do, because I don't want to scan it as one entire piece. I could do it that way, but I think I want to do it in pieces. The sofa, Beavis, and then Butthead, and maybe even these little natural plates that I have on the side. So let's get started with the 3D scanning. This is the main thing that you have. It's the Creality LIzard. It does have like these other skins. I should have done an unboxing, but I didn't. And then you have this really long cable that you have to plug into a power outlet. We're going to do that too. And it plugs into the computer and the scanner. And of course you have a little handy tripod. So you could also use the 3D turntable that comes with it, but I prefer to use just my hand to kind of move it around. I should be able to scan it from here. I'm going to hit scan. Are giving me the camera is on. Target is out of sight. There we go. These dark objects are a little bit harder. There we go. And we're running. Very hard to scan with the, there we go. There's the back. The great thing is that I can scan this the exact same size as what it is. So that's going to help us out. Let's see if I can move this. I don't know why it does that. And then you can't really move it, so it's really odd. Put them independently here because I want to be able to scan this and then move around. And if I want to print this separately, I should be able to do it. And also the legs, I actually separated the legs because I was thinking of making a traditional mold for this, but now with the 3D scanning, I'm just going to smooth it out really quick, make sure these legs are joined. I was hoping on not picking up the base, but unfortunately it is picking up. Someone asked me why it's sideways. I have no idea, but it's always scanned sideways. And then I just flip it, a little bit of that. And there we go. There is Beavis. We're ready to scan this guy. I don't know if metallic is going to be showing up, even though it's pretty crisp on the actual model here. It doesn't seem like it's coming out. Get a little bit more detail in the face. We're going to scan this with the nacho bags all over. It's a nacho bag and 3 nachos, but the good thing about it being 3D, you could just print 3 of these. So I'm giving the option of having the couch with the nachos the way I see it, but also if you want to duplicate this, you can do it. And this is going to be a very fast scan. And we have nachos. Alright guys, that is it. That's the scan of the Beavis and Butthead sculpture. So you might be thinking, what is next? Well, the next step is taking it into Mesh Mixer, slicing it all up, and then after I'm done with that, I'm going to upload it probably on Thingiverse, and I'll probably put a link in the description of this video after I'm done. So stay tuned for that. I think I'm going to put this up for free. But yeah, you can just download it. I already put some things up on Thingiverse under Sculpts, and it's the Who Done sculpture, and it's a really fantastic sculpture. I'm actually printing it right now, and it's already sliced up, so if you want to make a large copy of it, you can just print it in 3 sections and then glue it back together, and you'll have a very good reference for anatomy studies to do your own sculpture. And it's the same thing with Beavis and Butthead. I'm going to put it up somewhere and tell you guys, because I want you to download it, because I don't even know what I'm going to do with all of these sculptures. I am very happy with the 3D scanning because it does let me do things a lot cleaner than making a mold. And if you've seen some of the things I've done in the YouTube channel before, I have struggled a lot with mold making. It's something that's not very intuitive for me. I do welcome the technology because it lets me make reproductions pretty quickly. So that's it for the Beavis and Butthead scanning. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.